couldn't believe it. Thick fog, driving rain, and I'd waited 8 years to see one of these on Cape Sable Island. When Logan sent a message saying there was a grey-crowned rosy finch, I couldn't believe it, and I replied, "What?" "Yes, the grey-crowned rosy finch in Lunenburg, just over an hour away. Start the car." We had to go to Yarmouth to get the car serviced, and as we drove past a gully we saw a pale heron. We stopped, we looked, and tried to convince ourselves that it wasn't a grey heron. Later, Alex came along, took a shot, which showed the trousers being a bit rusty. It wasn't a grey heron. A few days later, it was photographed next to a grey blue heron in a nearby creek. It was a grey heron. Hurrah! When Diane Richard posted a photograph of her brambling as her feeders, that was another start the car moment. The only thing was, it was quite a long way away in Charles Cove. We hit the road, it was icy and cold, but we got it.